If you're tired, not physically but deep in your spirit, this is for you. God never asked you to carry everything alone. The Word reminds us that He is close to the brokenhearted. Even when you feel weak, you are still held. Even when your faith feels quiet, God is still present. You do not need to perform for His love. You do not need to prove your worth. Let yourself rest in this truth. God is sustaining you, even when you don't feel strong. You are not failing. You are human and still deeply loved.